In this video, we're heading back to Windows Server Backup, which we looked at before, and I've left it up here so that we can look at it again, because I want to make one very important point. If we have Active Directory on this server, we want to make sure that we have Active Directory backed up. And how do we do that? Let's take a look at scheduling a backup and see where that's done. I'm going to click Next here. And here you see full server. If I want to back up the whole server, I want to back up server data, applications, and system state. I'm going to click Custom here, click Next, and then Add Items. I want you to note that this system state item, if I check that, that backs up my Active Directory. So if I do not back up the system state, I do not have Active Directory backed up. It's an important point to know for your certification exam.